Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Alex from 𝗙𝗰𝗲 back again with another video. Super happy to be back, and today we've got something a little exciting. The AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB-C. So without any further ado, let's roll the intro and get right into this unboxing and first impressions. Alright guys, so if I put these two AirPod boxes side by side, can you tell which one is Lightning and which one is USB-C? Most likely not. So try to give a guess in the comment section below and see if you're right. 3, 2, 1. USB-C and Lightning. So if you chose left for USB-C, you were right. The boxes look exactly the same. AirPods Pro on the top, on the bottom, some regulatory information. On the sides, the Apple logo, and the Apple logo. So what is the exact difference? Well, as you can tell, the AirPods Pro 2nd generation, this is just the standard Lightning version. Now this one on the back over here, it's brand new. It's the AirPods Pro 2nd generation except with USB-C. So they both retail for $329. They have the exact same price and basically the exact same features. So why did Apple come out with the USB-C version of the AirPods Pro 2 if they already had the Lightning? Well, they did make a few slight changes, and it's also because the iPhone 15s now come with USB-C, so they're trying to slowly introduce that to all of their products. So without any further ado, let's put this beside here and just go straight into the unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation with MagSafe charging USB-C. So let's listen to this satisfying. Oh, we love that sound. And another one. Beautiful, guys. Alright, so let's flip the box over and go right ahead. Beautiful. Alright, so if we open our AirPods Pro 2 with Lightning, you're gonna see that it is the exact same design once you lift it up. Now, let's see what is under the box right over here. We have some regulatory info. Do we have Apple stickers? Do we? No, we don't. Apple did not provide any Apple stickers with the USB-C version of the AirPods Pro 2. Now, I cannot remember if they did provide some for the Lightning version. No, they did not. Interesting. They did not. So, let's see here. There we have them. The beautiful AirPods Pro 2 2nd generation with USB-C. Beautiful, as you can tell. USB-C, finally. So let's just carefully unwrap this right over here. Set these things aside, matter of fact. There you go. And let's see if there's an actual visual difference with the Lightning versus the USB-C. How nice. Alright, so straight out of the box, this is Lightning, this is USB-C. The case on the USB-C does feel a lot more premium, but that's because I've been using the Lightning version for about 9 months now, so I'm guessing straight out of the box, they feel exactly the same. So front of the AirPods, Lightning is on the left, USB-C is on the right. Any visual differences? You guys see any visual differences? No, I cannot. Alright, right under here, any visual differences? Yes, USB-C and Lightning. That's the exact same holes, except the charging port, they're different. On the right side, same lanyard loop that we saw last year on the Lightning. On the left side, nothing new. On the back, Absolutely nothing new. Same thing, designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. Alright, now the real deal is once we open them up. Now, let's see here. If I put my iPhone 15 Pro, will it show up as a new device? Okay, did you guys hear that sound? So it is in pairing mode, but there is exactly no difference at all. Except these are dirtier because, again, I've been using them for 9 months. So, interesting. That's it. That's the only difference. Nothing new. I don't really have much to say other than they feel very premium, as always. So I'm just going to put them in my ears. So these are the USB-C, as you can tell when you know how they look. I think they feel pretty nice in the ears. They look good. Now let me put on the Lightning of the AirPods, the Lightning version. Again, nothing new. They feel exactly the same. So I'm just going to put a side by side of how the Lightning look and how the USB-C look. So now if we just continue with the unboxing, you can see that this is the USB-C of the AirPods. And under the hood, do we have anything else? Just the interchangeable thingamajig ear tips. So they do come with extra small, small, and large. The ones that come on the AirPods in the box, in the charging case, are the medium size. Now, this is something that is tripping me out. Do we not have any charging cable? It seems like we don't have... Guys, look, the AirPods are so similar that I took my old Lightning box. I couldn't tell the difference. That is a big mistake. Alright, under the hood, yes, there you go. There is our charging cable. So this is the right box. Again, USB-C on this charging cable, braided, just as we saw in the iPhone 15 Pro. It was a braided cable. They feel exactly the same. Very nice, very good texture, very good for durability. Now, let's see what we have over here. The ear tips, extra small, small, and large, just like on the Lightning. Very nice. So we're just gonna put that right back in here. I'm gonna put the charging cable back in here, because I could always use my iPhone cable if I'd like to charge it. So visually, the AirPods look extremely similar. They feel very good in the hands, and they feel exactly the same. Now, the real deal comes to the sound, because you're going to be using these AirPods for listening. So are they any good? Are they worth it? So let's get straight into that. Alright guys, so that was the unboxing of the AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. It is a very beautiful, case, very simple design, and finally we have USB-C on there, looking all nice. So what are my first impressions? They're exactly the same. There's no difference visually in the ears, none of that. Now it comes to the hardware. What did Apple do? They introduced USB-C, and they also added adaptive audio. So what exactly is adaptive audio? So Apple says that it's a H2 powered AirPods Pro feature, which combines noise cancellation and transparency mode. So by using adaptive audio, it takes into account the noise of your surroundings. It lets you know what's going into your ears, what you need to have going into your ears, and it blocks out the things that you don't need to have going into your ears. So it's a very nice, mix of sound for any environment. Now, it is also available on the Lightning, of the AirPods Pro 2. I almost dropped those right there, but it does work better on the USB-C version of the AirPods Pro 2 because it is just a little more updated. So now moving on, there's 2 times more active noise cancellation, and we also have new gesture controls on the AirPods Pro 2 second generation, obviously with the USB-C model. So I would always find myself, playing around with my AirPods with Lightning, and then I would, click it and whoops, ends the call when I'm on a call. But now once you click it and you're on a call, it actually mutes it or unmutes it. Now, if you'd like to end a call or pick up a call, all you have to do is press twice. So that's just a new update that they brought. And other than that, there's really nothing new. It's just USB-C. So those are my first impressions. Those are my thoughts on the AirPods Pro 2 with USB-C. Same price, same design, same everything, except a few hardware tweaks and the most noticeable, USB-C. So it was a fun video to make, little unboxing, first impressions. It's tech, it's Apple, everyone likes it. So that's pretty much it from Alex at 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗄 today. I'm gonna see you guys later on this week, and I'm gonna try on these, AirPods Pro 2 USB-C, see how they do, and I'm gonna give a 7 days later video to give my honest opinion, honest review. Anyways, that's it from Alex at 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗄. Make sure to go follow my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter if you haven't already, all at 𝗙𝗰𝗲𝗄 it is. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one.